Hi guys, this is Madhurika. Welcome back to the channel. Here we talk all about traveling and speaking foreign languages. And today's video is going to be about 6 surprising things about French language. And if you're a native English speaker, if you're a beginner in French language, these are some things that will really surprise you and you should know before start learning so that you won't get any surprise. Number one thing in the French language that you should definitely know about is everything has a gender. Every noun has a gender, be it be the thing or person or a place, it has a gender. Even the countries has a gender, and it is not so common in an English language, but it is in French. And also the articles are placed according to the gender of the noun. So yes, article is placed before the noun and it also has a gender. And this also makes it very interesting when you start studying French, because you actually understand which gender is the train or the book or your country is. Reason number 2 is it's not pronounced as it is written. So French language has the same alphabets as we have in English language, and it is definitely not pronounced as it is written, because if you're a beginner or if you're a native English speaker, you tend to pronounce that word same as it is written in English, as you have a habit. But never do that, because it is not pronounced how it is written. It is very different. The third surprising thing is French eat their words. What I mean by this is they don't pronounce the last letter of most of the words, so it is usually omitted. And in certain verbs, there are also 3-4 letters which are not pronounced. So yeah, we beginners mostly get mistaken in pronouncing the whole word, but it is not the same in French, because you have to skip the last letter in most of the things, and I think in almost everything. And apart from that you don't pronounce the last word, it is also that the French in general make the words shorter. Now the words are bigger, but they anyway make it shorter. For example, the word is catastrophe, but they make it as kata, and that is how it is pronounced. So most of the words are made shorter, or they just pronounced halfway. A lot of English words are adapted from French and vice versa. So the words like fatigue, RSVP are the words that comes from the French language. For example, RSVP is répondez s'il vous plaît. It means respond please, that we write on the end of our letters, which is a word from the French language. And there are many other words like this which are adopted from French into English language. So if you're a beginner or just starting to learn French language, you'll be really amazed, and it will really interest you that there are so many words which are mixed and matched into both the languages, and how it is actually said in one language and assumed in another language. And that is why you have to start learning language. The last surprising thing that you will know is French language has different dialect, and it's not just spoken in France. There are many different parts of the world who speak French language, and they also have their different way and some different dialects that is used in this language. So speaking, I knew that the second language of Canada is French, but I was really amazed by knowing that even African countries speak French, and not only Morocco or Tunisia, but a lot more than that. So that was it. These were some of the surprising facts about the French language that you might find interesting if you're a beginner in this language. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, like and share this video for anyone who's starting to learn French, and see you soon next time. Bye.